In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Bitget Wallet app and access your crypto safely. First, open the Bitget Wallet app on your phone. If you already use it on this device, you'll usually just need to unlock it with your PIN, password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Enter your unlock method and you'll go straight to your wallet home screen with your balances. If you reinstalled the app or switched to a new phone, tap Import Wallet or Log In, depending on what you see. If you created a non-custodial wallet, choose Import Wallet, then carefully enter your recovery phrase or private key in the correct order. Make sure no one can see your screen and never share this phrase with anyone. If you registered using email, phone number, or a social account, select that login method instead, enter your details, complete the verification code, and confirm. After logging in or importing, set a strong unlock password or PIN, enable biometric login if available. And then, you're ready to manage your assets in Bitget Wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.